up, guys? And today we are going to be doing Build Boat for Treasure. You might remember this game if you saw it in one of our previous videos, where I was trying to make a rover and it failed.
What? No.
So yeah. Yeah, so this time, wait, why is this happening?
Okay. But here's the deal.
Something is wrong.
I will build,
But don't worry. So, we're just gonna be making a boat. Actually, let's loading the boat. Wait, I'm not moving. How come it's controlling this for me? Don't worry, guys. There's hope.
Okay,
Now we just need to... Oh yeah, load in that. Wait, no, not this one. How about we load in... Here, let's check for another one. This one? Nah, it's the rover we made last time. How about the bad boy? Actually, never mind. How about this one? This one seems pretty good. Okay, now we just need to find our way in. Except the bad news is, so if you saw, remember,
now we just gotta
in
go
one
here.
of my previous videos when I said it was called
we can't
playing
do it.
geometry blocks. It's where I got
The good
hacked.
news is,
And since that
the good news
happened,
is,
why am I moving this way? But no, move the. Okay, yeah. There's that
Thank you.
emergency
So,
door.
we have this door.
Stop moving me. No, close. Oh, no,
It's an
stop.
emergency.
Or just
I did
no.
kind of,
All right, good.
and-
next time, leave it closed. All right, now
Those are our
do not
co-pilots.
ask me.
This is the other pilot.
Okay, let's launch.
Let's launch.
Let's just roll down here and take off. Now we're flying. I'm trying to go this way. I haven't done this in a long time. Okay, wait, no, go up.
I'm driving.
I
No.
hope the hacker doesn't hack me while
Fine, then I'm
flying.
doing this.
What? No, go the other way. Go the other way. I think I jinxed
what?
it. I repeat. Go the
No.
other way.
I'm driving.
Okay, now we are just gonna stand still. Not terrible for the first start, but it's just
you don't
okay.
be so
This is
sassy
what happened-
about
this is what
it.
happened before.
Okay, come on.
Okay,
Now you just
go
in
up,
this crab level.
down. There goes the wave. Those purple
Here.
thingies. I do not like them. Trust me. Here comes the.
Hey, stop
camera
driving.
level. Just gotta keep on going forward. Don't worry, guys.
Yeah,
If wonder
we're
if I would run out of fuel, we won't, because
Stop
I have
pressing
bad
the
habits. Two of them, actually. Well, actually one, because one you're supposed to use, because it's supposed
Yup,
to run out of
I
fuel,
sure
because
was.
it won't work. And the other one is because, we ran out of fuel. Alright, we just gotta do that. And the other one is in case if that one breaks or something like that happens. Now we're in the bomb level. If the hacker hacks me at this time, it would be not very well. Okay, now we're in this level. And for now we can't get hacked because
I doubt it.
these levels are the hard levels. Trust me. Okay, we try to go into there. Now comes the cow level. But this level we cannot get hacked in. Whee! No. Go the other way. Go the other way. All right. Good. No, do not do that next time. Got struck by thunder 2 times, hacker. 2 times. Maybe 4. Okay. That we don't get hacked. Wait, my chair broke. No. All right. Why am I out of my seat? What? How do I get back in? This one. Okay. Something bad happened. Ah, we're going this way. I repeat. Turn off all engines, including emergency exits. I repeat. Turn off all engines. We gotta get to the emergency exits. It's gonna fall down from the waterfall. Now we just whoa! Turn off engines, hacker. Filthy animal. All right, sure. Let's exit out from the emergency. Try to go first person. Or we could just jump out from the hole. Except, it's not that easy to find holes in this game because, I mean, in this boat plane thingy-majiggy, because I made 2 extra layers. Next time, I'll try adding 4. Yes, let's get the treasure. Yes, let's go. Even though
Yes,
we're
we
rich,
made it.
I still need to get
All
it.
thanks to me, filthy animal.
Let's go. Gotta get it. That all the gold belongs to me.
Since I
And I
did
got
all the
another
work,
gold block.
I'm getting the gold. Deal?
Yes, let's go. We're here now, and we made it. I hope you
Okay, fine.
guys
We'll just split
leave
it
a
in
like
half
and
then.
subscribe.
Whatever you say.
I hope you enjoy this video. Leave a comment below. Bye.
Blah, 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 blah.